Hello, welcome back. Do you want to take your English to the next level? Do you want to learn 20 advanced vocabulary words that probably even some native English speakers don't know? Knowing these words will impress everyone. All right, let's get started. But before we do, this lesson is not for beginners. A smooth skin area is located between the eyebrows, just above the nose on the human forehead, and a part of the forehead. Is it known as the glabella, the nose bridge, or the nasal bone? Glabella, a term originated by Australian scientists in 1964 to describe the unique warm and earthy smell after the rain drops on dry ground or soil. Earthy smell, petrichor, or earthiness? It's called petrichor. A small plastic or metal tip commonly found at the end of a shoelace. Its main function is to prevent the fibers from scraping. Is it called a shoelace tip, an aglet, or a drawstring tag? Aglet. A common sound that occurs when the stomach is empty, or even after eating, often referred to as stomach growling. This sound is created by the movement of gas and fluids within these gastrointestinal organs. Is it called a womble, a stomachache, or a wiggle? Womble. This term is often used in a medical context to describe the cry or the wail made by a baby shortly after birth. This sound is an important indicator that the newborn baby is breathing and responding to the surrounding environment. 1. Is it wailing? 2. Is it crybaby? Or 3. Vatigus? Vatigus. These 4 pointed prongs extend from the handle of a standard fork, which are used for spearing, lifting, or holding food, and making it easier to eat. Are they called tines, fork pins, or fork spikes? Dines. The light you see when you close your eyes and press your hands on them. It is a visual feeling of seeing light without light actually entering the eyes. Is it called blurriness, phosphene, or vertigo? Phosphene. If you found this lesson helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Your support truly means a lot. Thank you. And let's keep going. This is a small device, typically a plastic device, placed in the center of a pizza box to prevent the cheese and toppings from sticking to the inside of the lid, and it is shaped like a tiny table or tripod. Is it called a pizza centering device, a pizza saver, or a pizza stool? It is referred to as pizza saver or pizza stool. Both terms are correct. This term is considered outdated in English and has largely disappeared from everyday use, as people now favor saying the day after tomorrow instead. Is it the morrow, overmorrow, or by morrow? Overmorrow. Note that this word is outdated and not considered standard English. It has been included solely for informational purpose. This term refers to the smallest toe on the human foot, often called the little toe or pinky toe. It comes from a Latin term that translates to smallest or least. Is it called minimus, minimum, or peak? Minimus. A wire cage secures the cork on a champagne or sparkling wine bottle, ensuring it stays in place under the pressure of the carbonation. It is an essential part of the packaging. Is it called poof, agrafe, or staple? Agrafe. The na 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 and la la la, which don't have any meaning in the lyrics of a song, are called lexical, verbals, or vocables. Vocables. Here are some additional examples that are considered vocables in case you're interested. This punctuation mark combines a question mark and an exclamation point. It expresses surprise, disbelief, or excitement. Is it called interrobang, contraband, or proband? Interrobang. The space that separates the two nostrils in the human nose. It consists of both cartilage and skin. Is it called columella, nostril, or a nose tip? Columella. This term refers to the armhole or the opening in a shirt where the sleeve is not attached. It enables ease of movement and comfort. Is it called arm's eye, sleeveless, or armhole? Arm's eye, or you can also refer to it as arm's eye. The condition of finding it difficult to get out of bed in the morning, especially early morning, is it called insomnia, dysania, or sleep apnea? Dysania. This term describes a style of hurried or careless handwriting that is difficult to read or understand. It is also referred to as illegible handwriting. Is it called scribble, calligraphy, or griffonage? Griffonage. The dot over I and J are called tittle, a jot, or a mark. Tittle. This term refers to the sickness or discomfort caused by heavy drinking or eating. Is it loaded, befuddled, or crapulence? Crapulence. This metallic device is used to measure your feet at the shoe store. Is it called brannock, shoe sizer, or shoe taps? Brannock. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something new today. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and see ya in the next lesson.